Mantra Bose with Motorista, a car show where we review all the popular cars. Today we have with us the MG ZS, a compact SUV that prides itself in being unhesitatingly luxurious, exceptionally spacious and positively stylish. So let's get this car on the road. First, let me take out my sunglasses from here. I'm being subtle about it. Push start button to get it started and let's go. So this car has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Apart from that, it's got a host of other features. You can check out the 10-inch integrated touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, USB ports. If you're a coffee lover, it's got a lot of place for your coffee mugs. And of course, my driver's seat is all electric. So yes, it's got 6 airbags, ABS and electronic stability control. So this makes for a pretty smooth drive. Overall, this is a great car for the family. It's also really easy to handle on the road, easy to maneuver, easy to park because it's got a good turning radius. And if you are particularly interested in going on long drives, this car is wonderful. It's extremely comfortable. If you're looking at this car from the front, what you cannot miss is the London Eye headlights and also the signature Star Rider front grille. Not just that, it also has an all-black bottom and this chrome plate that definitely gives it a rugged feel. Clearly built for adventure, the spirit of this car is reflected through the sleek body, excellent ground clearance and the 17-inch alloy wheels that gives it a sporty edge. What I also like are these defined lines and the upward sweeping rear window that definitely makes the car look very unique. Another thing this car is particularly popular for is space, and by that I don't mean just cabin space, I also mean boot space. It has 448 liters of boot storage. I think I could totally climb in. Once inside, you'll realize how spacious this car actually is. Essentially, it's a 5-seater and of course the back seats can also be folded pretty easy. When we talk about space, one of the first things that comes up is of course leg room. And as you can see, even if I had a really tall driver sitting up front and he slid his seat back a little, I would still have enough space to spread out over here. Moving on from leg room and head space, which is also great as you can see, I feel what gives this car a truly airy, almost expansive feel is the panoramic sunroof. Once you're inside, you'll notice the attention they pay to details. The interior red trims are definitely worth a mention. Couple that with the leather seats and where you can see the red lining over here too, it definitely feels pretty plush inside. You've just seen how feature-packed this car is, and what's equally amazing is the price, which includes free registration, insurance, roadside assistance and a manufacturer's warranty of 6 years or 200,000 kilometers. So all the reasons to get yourself an MG ZS. That was Motorista and we'll be back again with more car reviews, so stay tuned.